everyone. Today we have a very special guest, Mr. Niladri Pahadi, with us. Aerospace exam 2021. So first of all, congratulations on your achievement. It's a great thing that you've done, and it's proud that you are part of IGC.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. So let me introduce myself. I am Rajpreet from Amritsar, Punjab. I am a first year master degree student at ISC Bangalore in the Department of Aerospace Engineering. And I cleared GATE 2020 exam with an All India rank 12 under the guidance and support of IGC. Then give introduction about yourself, your hobbies and family, or any other stuff that you want to add. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm Niladri Pahadi. So I am from Kolkata, West Bengal, and I'm studying at IIEST Shibpur. I'm basically studying in the aerospace department only. So basically, aerospace was my, you can say, a passion or maybe what I don't know, but I want to pursue aerospace right from my school days. So then after that, I wrote JEE and got into aerospace. And regarding my hobbies, and I don't have that much hobbies, but maybe gardening is a bit gardening whenever get time. But other than that, maybe listening to music or sometime coding. These are my hobbies.
Okay, great. So how are you feeling about your achievement?
So that's a great feeling actually. More than feeling, I will say I am very much satisfied because the hard work that I have put in the last 1 year. So after that, I got this one. So it's very, you can say, rewarding, or it has given me a great motivation that if I do hard work, then I can do achieve almost anything. So that's a great satisfaction for me. And feeling is wonderful.
Okay, that's nice. So yeah, what was your motivation behind the preparation of GATE exam?
Okay, so basically, I wanted to pursue my masters from some reputed Indian institute, and my future plan is to means do a PhD only in aerospace. So I actually did my internship from IISc Bangalore last summer.
Okay.
So I had seen means the facilities, the research quality, and those things that I've seen there. Means they are world class. So I had also visited IIT Kanpur, so I have seen the facilities that this institute have for a research student. So my main motivation was to go it into a good IIT or ISC and to means actually get exposed to this area and get the facilities that they are offering. So that is
Okay.
my main motivation that was behind this.
Okay. I even went to the IIT Kanpur for a 6 month internship, and I worked under Professor DP Mishra in
Okay.
propulsion laboratory. Yeah. So yeah, could you briefly describe your journey right from the start of your preparation till the result day? I mean, when did you start and
Okay.
at the on the
So
result day?
I
Yeah.
was I was actually planning to start my preparation after my sixth sem, but after that the lockdown happened, and so I got got some time. Means actually I got a bit lot of time in this lockdown. So I started preparing from April first week. So then I was actually solving previous year questions and going through the reference book and those. And I joined IGC around June July at that time. So that was also a very good thing for me because means what IGC actually they actually helped me a lot during this preparation time. So self preparation, this been help from IGC both combined. I think this actually helped me to secure this rank.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was asking that most of the aspirants who are preparing for GATE, they are either a third year or fourth year students, or some of them might be a working professional. So they are looking for good coaching institutes across India for aerospace. And what are your thoughts about that? And how did you come to know about IGC?
Okay, so I actually came to know I about IGC from one of my friends. So he was actually going through the IGC classroom program. So I didn't take the classroom course. I took the exam series. So about regarding exam series, what I can say that means if you are self preparing yourself and then taking a good mock test series, then I think that is very good. And regarding that, IGC I think is very fantastic. Means they have a very good exam pattern also. It's not like they are giving only questions or giving you full length mock test. But when I first joined IGC, they actually had a small test at that time. It's topic wise test. So at that time,
Yes.
I was preparing myself. So once I was done with one topic, I could give their exam, and I used to get acquainted with what are the problems that I can get in here. Means then what are the errors that I am doing while solving the questions. That was a good thing. So after that, you will have like subject wise exam where you have to go for means 60, 70 questions from one subject only. So like you have completed propulsion, you can give that test and you can get, okay, I have this much confidence in propulsion. So that means the stepwise increment, right? So the stepwise increment in the studies, that actually helps a lot in developing a very good base for getting them.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, you achieved an All India rank one, and it's a great achievement. So how did you manage your time with college studies? I heard that you qualified this exam in your final year only, yeah, right?
Yes, yes. I mean,
So how
final
did you
year.
manage the time with the studies?
Uh, so studies will always be there. Means I was a bit fortunate that this lockdown suddenly happened and I got some time. But then also I was having online classes. So what I used to do is means first I prepared my own notes. So in the beginning went through the means reference books and the materials that I had and prepared my own notes and formula sheets and everything. After that, what I did when my exams were near, means college exams were near, I used to study for the exams. But when I was over with the exams, say today I gave one exam. Now I have some free time, so 1 or 2 hours. I used to go through the study materials, means my own notes and the formulas. So I used to keep on revising these things in between my exam. So I was giving the exam also, but this means I was not losing my means flow of this gate preparation. So that is important. Means you can say prepare for your college exams also, but you have to keep on revising the things.
Okay, that's nice. So what all features IGC have that you liked the most and that help you in your gate preparation? I mean specific features that differentiate IGC from other institutes.
Okay, so first of all, I will say that they don't have only one mock test series like where you have to give 60, 70 tests.
Yeah.
So they have very specific and topic-wise exams. So when I first started preparing with them, I used to give the topic-wise exams, and that used to help me to get confidence in specific topics. And they also have this very good doubt clearing session also. Means I myself never ask them about what is means how to solve this problem, but Mr. Dinesh is a very good guy. Means he used to go through the exams of every student. He will go through
Yes.
your profile and he will actually check what are the errors you are doing, and he will suggest you accordingly. So that was a good thing. Means I was preparing, and at the same time, the errors that I was making, I used to note them down. So in that way, IGC actually has helped me a lot because their exams are means very specific to gate pattern. Means it is not like they will give you arbitrary questions here and there, and also they are also means designed in such a way means they will actually trick you in many ways. Means the gate questions are might seem easy, but a small change in some parameter will actually change the whole meaning. So those types of questions I got in IGC that actually
Yeah.
helped me to means get very acquainted with the type of gate paper and that thing. Also, second thing is means they are full length tests, so they have this specifically focus on giving those tests in the specific time. Means this time gate was from 3 to 6. So Mr. Dinesh told me that you have to give it from 3 to 6 only. So I gave these 10
Yes.
exams from 3 to 6. That was a very good thing. Means my physical clock was actually synchronized with that time. So when I went for my actual gate exam, so it didn't feel that I am giving in some different time slot or something. It just felt like I am giving another IGC mock test. So time management, say or say how you are planning means study management, everything is very good in IGC. So that was a
Okay,
very good
that's
thing.
right. Yeah. So yeah, there is one fact is clear that you need to revise your syllabus, the full GATE syllabus, twice, more than twice or thrice. So how did IGC augmented your revision and practice tests?
So IEC actually means this revision thing. So they actually means their this, small tests that they give. These are very good. Means you can give them more than once or twice. So say you are completed with your say revision first revision in say November, then you can go for another in December. So that will help you. Means you can go through the test once again. That will help you very much. Also means I want to say something means they have helped me in developing my aptitude part very much. So at the beginning, I was not practicing aptitude that much. But when I gave that first aptitude test, so that was not very good. So I asked him means what to do. So they have some means 12, 13 aptitude test means question papers like that. So that I practiced thoroughly, and that actually helped me in developing my aptitude very much. That is a good thing.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, I feel very proud that I am a member of IGC, and as an IGC, I congratulate you again. And would you like to tell us any other ways IGC has helped in your overall development as an aerospace engineer? Because team IGC has people with industry and academia also.
That means what means so Dinesh is actually helping me very much. Means whatever I am getting from IGC, that is through Mr. Dinesh only. So congratulations to all the team members. Now, see, in other say coaching institute, what I have seen that they will just give the exams and then they will say you do it, give grade, and that's over. Okay. But here, what I have seen that they are constantly in touch with us. Now, after the gate also, so I was very confused about which institute to join and what to do actually, whether to go for a research or a job or means I was a bit confused. So they actually organized several sessions, they allowed us to talk with some experts and some students who are in this institute. But that has helped me to actually understand what is the scope of research in India, what other things means I can do. Is they are actually exposing us to this field of aerospace very much. What I can say, their post-grad guidance is very good. They are actually helping us a lot.
Yes, yes, that's true. Yeah. So yeah, what are the heads up that you want to give to all the aerospace engineers and gate aspirants?
Okay, so for those who want to be an aerospace engineer, so what I will say that this is a field that means you must be passionate about. You cannot just get into aerospace and say that, okay, I will get a job in say anything like that. So if you have to be very much passionate about aerospace. So what I will say that the jobs that are now in India means they are not say as high paying as other parts, but the satisfaction that you will get doing these jobs, right? If you are placed in a core airplane company, the satisfaction that you will get is means unimaginable. So for those who want to become an aerospace engineer, I will say go on, carry on, do hard work, and you will achieve anything that you want. And those who are preparing for GATE, my only suggestion is keep on doing hard work and take good guidance. Means always hard work cannot give you everything. Means you have to plan specifically. Hard work and proper planning both are required. So I will say keep on doing hard work and do your own studies. Take help from experts, and that will surely give you a very good rank in GATE.
Okay, okay, okay. So what are your future plans? I guess you are going to join ISC, as you already told
Uh,
that you have been to ISC.
yes, yes. I mean,
So, or do you have any other plans of joining IIT or DRDO, HAL? Any other?
I told you right means I once I visited ISC. I did my internship for 3 months at ISC. So the facilities and the campus that I saw that was means very good. So from the third year only I was planning to join ISC. Now I am planning to join ISC, and I want to pursue my career in research. So my plan is now to do a good PhD, and then I will see what other plans means options are open for me. And regarding IITs, I am also planning maybe I'm means, now trying to see which one will be better, ISC or IT Bombay. I am trying to figure out between those two institutes which one I should choose.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. So, can you recommend some material or any reference book that you think are very fundamental for GATE preparation?
Okay, so means I actually am a aerospace student only, so I followed my class books only. So for say aerodynamics, Anderson books are very good. I used to follow Anderson for aerodynamics and Gupton and Carpenter. These two books are I think sufficient for aerodynamics. Say for structure, Nixon and Timoshenko. These two are sufficient. Nixon, TJH Nixon and Timoshenko. Say for propulsion, I used to follow Syed Faruqi book for overall propulsion. And for
Okay.
turbo machinery specifically, I used to follow Ganeshan book. So these two books I used to follow for propulsion. And then for aircraft dynamics, I used to follow again Anderson aircraft performance by Anderson. And for controls, I used to study NPTEL lectures. So there are some good NPTEL lectures on controls that one can actually
Yes,
see.
yes.
And for mathematics, I actually used my BS Grewal book. I used to follow that. And there was another book from our institute that is GPS book. So anyone can follow any book for mathematics. That is not a
Yeah, yeah. Mathematics is simple. Yeah. For GATE. Yeah. So yeah, how did you deal with social media or any other distraction that you faced while preparing for GATE?
so distractions will always come. In Gate also means I used to watch YouTube a lot in lockdown. So around 6 7 hours a day maybe. So after that, once I realized that this is going beyond my control, so I started slowly reducing those. So that will come in everyone's life. So I'm not saying that you have to completely means get rid of those things. I mean, it is I think not possible also means you cannot delete WhatsApp, Facebook, everything. But try to limit yourself and try to control yourself. That is very necessary. Maybe say 2 3 hours a day is fine, but after that means that will start harming your studies also your health also. So what I did means whenever I used to feel that I am getting too much carried away by YouTube or something, I used to hide my phone in my locker. Therefore, one day I
Okay.
used to hide my phone. I used to completely get away from it. So after that, means slowly I got rid of it. And I also means you can talk with your friends if you are means too much into the social media. Instead of chatting, you can directly call them and talk to them. That is a good thing. So I had a very good friend circle. My two friends actually got AR3 and AR8. So they also study
Okay.
from IGC. So I used to talk to them whenever I used to feel, say, means I want to chat with someone, and they actually also motivated me to keep on studying and all.
Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, there is one big issue that every student faces for while preparing for GATE. It's the exam pressure. So what was your experience with handling the exam pressure, and what are your thoughts about that? How one should go about
Uh,
handling this issue?
so exam pressure is a means a very important thing. Means it's not only your preparation. If you lose your nerve during the exam, then everything is gone. So for that, I will suggest prepare some means give good mock tests. And in IGC, what I like most is like if you give the mock test, then means the questions are some questions are very easy and some are very difficult. So they are means planned in a way that you have to miss some questions. And now the thing is when you will give 10 mock tests, so you will have this confidence in that even if I miss one or two, or maybe I have not confidence in this, then also I can complete the paper. So that was a very good thing. In this year, get only means when I was solving in first 1 hour only, I had to skip three questions. But that was not a very big issue for me because I knew that if I can do good in the other parts, then I can get good marks. So mock test, giving good mock test is necessary. And in the exam hall means don't take unnecessary pressure. Means if you are not able to do one question, just leave it, keep it for the future, and that's it.
So yeah, there is one issue, one doubt in my mind that did you expect to score 84? You got 84 out of 100,
I
right?
got 84.
Yeah.
No,
So how was your? Let me complete. How was your expectation from the month of I mean September, October, November, and January? Did you? How did you go about that?
so means I will say that this year gate paper was a bit tricky and a bit difficult than others. So previous year
Okay.
I had solved means I had solved up to means 19, 20 I had solved without seeing the solution and sitting for 3 hours. There I performed pretty well. So then I had very good means thought that I'll get good marks. But this year the paper was a bit tricky. So even if I solved means I think I missed only 5 questions, but then also I was in doubt that I will not get good marks and those things. But yes, 84 I didn't expect, but I expected to be above 70. That was there in my mind that I will get above 70. But 84 is a very good thing. I'm also
Okay.
bit.
Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. So okay then, yeah, Niladri, it was nice talking to you, and on the behalf of IGC, and we congratulate you again and wish you all the best for the future, and we hope that you have a great success ahead in your life.
Thank you. I also like
Okay.
to thank you everyone in IGC because they have actually helped me a lot. I cannot
Okay. Okay.
truly define what they have done, but thank you.
Okay. Okay. Anything else that you want to add?
What
So,
now? It's
no.
nothing. Means I will say to every junior or someone who is preparing for GATE, I will say that keep on doing hard work. Don't lose means your focus. That is very necessary. If you lose your focus and say, okay, I think I will not perform good in GATE, then let's not spend that much effort on this. But you should give your 100%. And if you are from IGC, then all the best because you have one of the best guidance in India about GATE. So keep on preparing, keep on doing hard work, and then you will get
Okay.
surely what you want.
Yeah. So one last thing that what are you doing now nowadays that you are attending these sessions that IGC is providing the post gate guidance sessions? Anything other that you are doing? Anything else? Studying or
Anything
any
else?
other stuff?
Means my final sem is going on. I am having exams
Okay.
next week, so I am
Okay. Okay.
preparing
Okay.
for
So
that.
yeah, best of luck for that also then.
Uh, Thank you.